Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! Narito na ang isa sa pinaka-inaabangang update sa laban para sa corona ng Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Opisyal na ngang inilabas ang evening glam shots ng mga kandidata at talaga namang pasabog ang kanilang mga look mula sa classic elegance hanggang sa bold couture fashion. Ipinakita ng bawat reyna ang kani-kanilang mga confidence, beauty at undeniable star power. At ngayon, kilalanin natin ang ating top 6 most viewed evening glam shots base sa social media views. In our number 6 spot, we have Miss Pampanga Alison Arceo Hetland. Miss Pampanga ay merong strong facial features, napakalinaw ng kanyang bone structure sa glam shots. Fierce projection, powerful ang kanyang expressions, at stage potential. May dating na bagay sa runway at evening gown competition. At number 5, we have Miss Cebu Province Nicole Borromeo with 234,000 views. Nicole Borromeo have regal bearing, very queenly ang tindig at posture. May lakas at confidence, ramdam ang pagiging komportable niya sa spotlight. And the international appeal, may aura na madaling makilala sa global stage. Once again, our rank number 5, Cebu Province, Nicole Borromeo. And our spot number 4 with 252,000 views, Miss Universe Philippines La Union, Bea Milan Windorski. Si Bea Milan ay merong fresh and modern look. May contemporary beauty na bagay sa bagong generation ng pageants. Camera friendly, malakas ang dating sa photos at visuals. And of course, balance, elegance, and fierceness. May mix ng soft beauty at strong projection. At number 3 spot, with 348,000 views, Miss Iloilo City, Zesta Espinosa. Si Zesta ay merong classic Filipino beauty. Very polished at elegant ang kanyang look. Pageant experience, ramdam ang training at confidence sa camera. And of course, the graceful aura. Napaka-refined ng kanyang overall presentation. Once again, our spot number 3, Miss Iloilo City, Zesta Espinosa. And now, let's move on to our top 2. Our rank number 2 with 384,000 views, none other than Miss Mountain Province, Liniri Montero Yodong. Our Miss Mountain Province has unique and refreshing beauty. Isa sa may pinaka-distinctive na mukha sa kompetisyon. May strong presence. Kahit simple ang pose, ramdam ang queenly energy. And of course, the natural elegance. Hindi pilit ang kanyang beauty at aura. Once again, our spot number 2, Miss Mountain Province. At ang ating nangunguna and the most viewed Miss Universe Philippines candidate with 516,000 views, Miss Sultan Kudarat, Jen Rose Javier. Miss Sultan Kudarat has fierce stage aura. Malakas ang dating niya kahit sa larawan pa lamang. High fashion appeal, very editorial at bagay sa international pageant stage. And of course, the strong facial projection. Magaling magdala ng glam look, kaya madaling maging stand out. Once again, our top 1 most viewed candidate is Miss Sultan Kudarat, Jen Rose Javier. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, at habang papalapit ang coronation night ng Miss Universe Philippines 2026, lalong nagiging exciting ang laban ng mga kandidata para sa pagkakataong kumatawan ng Pilipinas sa Miss Universe stage. Kayo mga ka-pageant fans, sino ang bet nyo sa top 6 na ito? May potential ba sa kanila ang susunod na Miss Universe Philippines? Comment down below at huwag kalimutan na mag-like, share, and subscribe para sa mas marami pang pageant updates. This is Nel 2204. Maraming salamat at magkita tayong muli.